Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nest Doorbell. Resetting your device can resolve various issues, from minor glitches to preparing it for a new owner. We'll cover both a soft restart, which keeps your settings, and a full factory reset, which wipes all data. Understanding these methods ensures your doorbell functions optimally or is ready for its next chapter. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your Nest Doorbell back on track. A soft reset is perfect for fixing small, temporary issues without losing any of your personalized settings or recorded history. To perform this, simply locate the small reset button, usually found on the back of your doorbell. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. You'll know it's working when the light ring around the button begins to pulse blue. This quick restart often resolves many common problems efficiently. When you need a complete fresh start, a factory reset is the way to go. This action erases all data, returning your Nest Doorbell to its original, out-of-the-box state. It's essential if you're selling your device or troubleshooting persistent, complex problems. For this, press and hold the reset button for a longer duration, approximately 12 seconds. The light ring will first turn yellow, then blue, confirming the reset is complete and all data is wiped. After successfully resetting your Nest Doorbell, the next crucial step is to re-add it to your Google Home or Nest app. Treat it like a brand new device and follow the on-screen prompts for setup. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is accessible and you have your password handy for a smooth connection. Once reconnected, perform a quick test to ensure all features, like motion detection and two-way talk, are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.